Today we will discuss area element and volume elements in spherical polar system, that is area element. First of all, element means small portion, that is d. D means small derivative or small change. So area element is the small area enclosed by two parameters. So we know that area is cross product of length and breadth. In spherical polar system, we have to find the length element as well as the breadth element. So we can find these elements by using the formula of velocity. We know that velocity is r dot r cap plus r theta dot theta cap plus r sin theta phi dot phi cap. So this is the formula for velocity. We have already proved it. Now I am writing this formula in derivative form. So V means dr upon dt, that is in derivative form. So r dot is dr by dt. Here it is derivative of r vector, but here derivative of r scalar. So there is a difference between two. Or r theta dot means d theta by dt into theta cap plus r sin theta d phi upon dt into phi cap. So this is derivative form. If we cancel dt from both sides, then the remaining equation is the equation of dr. So we may write this equation as dr into r cap plus r d theta into theta cap plus r sin theta into d phi into phi cap. So this one is the first element, second element and third element, like dx dy dz. So what here in spherical polar system, dx means dr. So dr, r d theta and r sin theta d phi, these are three elements along r side, theta side and phi side. So this is first element, second element and third element. But in the calculation of area element, we require only two vectors, either first or second or third, and third or first. Now we will calculate here surface area of sphere. Surface area, you know that the surface area of a sphere, we know that in case of sphere, radius is constant, r remain constant. So r is constant, there is no change in r. It means dr is 0 for surface area, and only variables are other two variables, that is second and third variables. So I will use these two variables, these two elements for calculation of surface area of sphere. So area element means area element of surface. So that is surface area element. Actually its name is surface area element of sphere. So this dA area may be written as second and third component, that is multiply of r d theta second component into theta cap cross multiply with r sin theta d phi into phi cap. It is like this is length and this one is breadth. So these are small elements. So I am not using the first component here, because on the surface of a sphere only two variables are used, that is theta and phi. R is constant. So, taking the magnitudes or constants in one side, that is r into r square sin theta into d theta d phi, and theta cross phi, this one cross multiply, or r square sin theta d theta d phi. So, we know that theta cross phi is r cap, as I cross j is k cap, j cross k is I cap, and k cross I is j cap. Similarly, theta cross phi is r cap and r cross theta is phi cap. So, here this is area element in spherical voltage system or surface area element of a sphere. We can also calculate the other two area elements, that is of r and theta, theta and phi and r, but in our syllabus only surface area element will be considered. So, this is area element. So, we can represent this area element in diagram also. We know that in spherical polar system it is x, it is y, it is z, and this one is r, you know that r, and this is theta, and dr extension of r, that is dr, and theta, the corresponding arc to the variation of theta is d theta, that is this one is d theta, a small angle, as this is theta and this one is small d theta, and the corresponding arc is r d theta. Okay. And where is r sin theta d phi? We know that this is projection of P, and this one is rho vector, and this is phi, and corresponding this variation is phi cap. And if we trace this vector in this plane at point this P, then this one is the phi cap, and the element corresponding to this phi cap, that is this one is d phi, and hence the corresponding change is this or this. So, this change is r sin theta d phi or rho d phi. It is also rho d phi, because rho is the projection of r on this plane, that is r sin theta. So, this is r sin theta d phi, this one. So, similarly, this one is also r sin theta d phi. And to trace or to produce or extend an area element between these two vectors, this one first vector and this is second vector, so we can extend this vector here and this vector is here. So, this element is called area element on sphere. So, this is diagram or graphical representation of area element. Now, you will find volume element. Fifth one is volume element. You know that volume is three-dimensional quantity, and the volume element is small dv, and we know the formula for volume is A dot B cross C. You know that it is scalar triple product. So, first A, second B, and third one is C. So, we have first, that is dr first element, r d theta is second element, and r sin theta d phi is third element. So, these are three elements or three sides of sphere. Now, putting the values of these elements here, dV. So, this is general formula for volume, but I am taking only dV small element dV, and small first A means first vector, that is dr into r cap, first one, dot multiply with second B means r d theta into theta cap, this one second along theta side, and cross multiply with third is r sin theta d phi into phi cap. This is A dot B cross C. So first of all, we will solve within the bracket, that is dr into r cap dot. This one is r square sin theta d phi into r cap, because theta cross phi is r cap. Now dot multiply of both, that is r square as it is, sin theta as it is, then I will write dr, then d theta d phi, this is single order, and r dot r, you know that r dot r is 1 as I dot I is 1. So this one is the volume element in spherical polar system. So these are the two articles, area element and volume elements in spherical polar system. Now after that we will do the numericals based upon these area element, volume element in the next lecture. Thank you very much.